Okay, it's our last day at sea dito sa Queen Anne. And I will try to vlog as many as I can dahil iikutin ulit natin yung barko to experience all the amenities. Ayan. Sobrang grateful dahil na-experience namin to. And we're very lucky kasi nga syempre with the whole family. Diba? So yeah. Are you gonna miss the ship?
Yeah, tomorrow. We're gonna go tomorrow.
We're gonna go back to Manila?
Yeah, tomorrow. We're gonna go to.
Okay. So, papunta kami ngayon sa Artisans Food Hall kung saan lahat ay kumakain siya rin. Yeah, buffet style siya na restaurant, parang Vikings. Okay, so ito na yung ice natin for today and kakain tayo ulit sa Britannia. Pero ngayon, magpapa-temperature check as the Philippine Bureau of Quarantine ay nire-require yun sa mga guests dito. Which is napaka-OA kasi sa other countries wala naman kaming na-witness na experience na ganun. So yeah, dadaan muna tayo doon para magkakuha ng temperature and then sobrang hirap mag-video dito kasi ang daming mga conscious na mga other guests. So please bear with me. Can you watch? Sa Deck 11 tayo. This is their cabana, looks like. And today nyo. It's like living in a Titanic moment. But here's Queen Anne. So we're here at Queen Anne, a mother vessel from Cunard. Sobrang ganda dito. Sobrang luxurious feeling. You stay here. Kasing ganda ko. Eme. Crap.
Wow.
Okay, so this is their Aranya restaurant.
Kontrollverpflichtend für alle Gäste.
Puro Indian food yung siniserve. So this is the Artisan Food Hall kung saan kumakain majority ng mga pasahero. And para siyang buffet. Sarado lang yan. Ngayon, pupunta tayo sa Britannia restaurant para mag-lunch. Dahil ito na yung last time na mag-lunch doon. So, iba siya sa artisan. Yung artisan kasi, it's a buffet style. Ito naman, plated style. So, they serve you the food in a plated thing. So, yeah.
Good afternoon to you all.
Here is the menu.
28 degrees Celsius.
I really got
Sana what would you get?
Yun na lang.
I want chicken nuggets.
Okay, yun na lang kaya.
And then,
What are the dinosaurs? What?
I don't like celery. We're having buffalo wings with blue cheese. Ano dito? Punta dito? I think that's how we move.
Here you go. Here's your banana. You eat your banana, ha? You eat first.
Thank you. Okay, bye.
You eat first.
Katulala sa sarap.
Oh, your food is here na. I'll serve your food na, ha?
Okay.
You ready?
What? I would need dinosaur. Look! Look!
I get this, okay?
No, sugar, wait.
Cheers, cheers.
Cheers, cheers.
Cheers, Yanni. Cheers. You go eat now.
Video. Or chicken nuggets.
It's a chicken nuggets, but the longer one.
Yeah, but the longer one. Different shape. Careful. You eat more. Do you want ketchup? Mayonnaise?
No.
Mustard? Okay, enjoy.
It's so this is a fish stock. And isa na ay Osonian. It's an LA aming waiter. GMA fish fingers.
Where's JM?
What are you doing? Can you eat na? Okay. We're gonna eat the tacos. Teka muna. Avocado. Avocado siya. Ew. I don't like cilantro. Okay, so we're going to our last gala night here, and this is the feast.
Yung parang pabaya na iya.
Pa.
Ito siya. Ayoko.
Dinner at Britannia with sister.
Eh, nakasama pa rin pa ako sa all swimming.
Magkamali tayo ng number ni Papa. Show the bread, show the bread. Oh, pogi daw.
Say hi, vlog. Pogi pose, go pogi pose.
Duka pa. Sana. Wow, bunso and mother. Oh, inom.
Dito, sana gano'n.
Kinakabahan ako sa... Binalik ulit.
Mamaya ka lang.
Siya na lagi na lang nakasisay to.
Oh, we can.
Go eat. And you're
Kaya mama,
happy.
first.
Go eat first.
So,
This one, no? I was cut it. Do you want me to cut it? DM, do you want me to cut it?
ano ba? Hindi aftertaste lang.
Okay, gotta do this.
Ano nila sa tinapa? Papa is in the house.
Picture mo nga kami.
Sino nanonood eh? Say wave your hand. Nasong sinigang si Tumatag na.
Ano si Papa mo kasi?
Wala.
Walang
Nung nakaradyo.
gano'n?
It's okay.
Dapat?
Thank you. Thank you.
Pwede po.
Tatlo yun. Date.
Tapos kontra kasi si Papa Brad.
Sige pa.
Medyo pressure din sa crewmates kasi nga.
Kasi ang dami ng donation niya.
Medyo pressure din sa...
This is our last one. JM. JM. Look at the camera. Okay, last breakfast. How dare you?
We know that is it. We know.
Oh, why are you Okay, so it's time to go home.
I don't want to go home.
Oh my God. So yeah, ang bababa na kami dito sa Manila, and that will be the end of our
I don't want
ship
to go
life.
home.
Ship life, cruise life.
I don't want to go home.
So this is how the looks like. It's so big. Oh, sad na sis! Okay, we're leaving. Bye-bye na, Mami. I love you. Mami gonna go back to ship. Sige na. Bye, sis. Bye. Bye.
Bye guys. Bye guys. Bye bye mom.
Yung lechon, di ka
Hindi po. Ay, ito lang po. Umatras lang.
Kinabahan. Lalo ka.
Wow, nanonood na siya.
Wow, laki ng ngiti.
Wow.
Pwede na ba po kung ano yung yata?
Arte, ang arte. Para ni... Ay, wow.
Dapat tayo, di ba tayo mag...
Wow, ganda naman ng flower.
Ayan, katulad nun, no, tabi lang. Sabi mo, papi. Uy, yung chocolate ni Jay.
Ay, wala ako nabili. Ano yan, ano?
Kano yun na po?
Flower lang.
Kiss you.